One of the lifestyle problems we are now seeing more and more today is high uric acid. Earlier it was rare. Now people in their 30s and 40s come with complaints of joint stiffness, swelling in toes. Hasrikal ji. I am Prabdeep Singh Chawla from Dr. Asma Herbals Amritsar. Our Ayurveda legacy starts through my grandfather, Vaid Pradyuman Singh ji, 1972. For 3 generations, our family has carried forward his vision to make Ayurveda authentic, affordable and accessible. Doctors often prescribe painkillers or at best uric acid lowering allopathic medicines. But these come with their own side effects and long-term complications. And in many cases, the only advice given is live with it. But Ayurveda never said to live with the problem. Ayurveda focuses on finding the cause, balancing the body and healing from the root. That is where our formulation Urinashak comes in. Urinashak is available in 2 formats, capsule and powder. Both target high uric acid and its symptoms, but they are designed differently for different patient needs. Let me start with Urinashak capsule. Each capsule contains concentrated mass extracts of Guduchi, Guglu Triphala, Bokru and Punarva, herbs that are known to purify blood, support kidney filtration, reduce uric acid, relieve stiffness and swelling. Along with these, we add powders of Chiraita, Nagarmutha, Trivrit, Munditaka and Trikatu. These improve digestion, metabolism and uric acid clearance. So, the capsule is compact, potent and convenient, suitable for those who want an easy daily solution without measuring powders. Now let's talk about Urinashak powder. This is more comprehensive formulation because in powder form we can combine wider range of herbs, process them with juices. Each 10 gram contains Triphala, Gokru, Guduchi, Punarva, Nirgundi, Rasna, Shalaki extract and Munditaka and more. But what makes this powder unique is that it is processed in juices of tart cherry and pineapple, both rich in antioxidants and helpful in reducing uric acid naturally. On top of that, it is enriched with bhavana dravyas like bhumi amla, sarpankha, munditaka, milk thistle and nettle leaf, which gives the powder a stronger liver, kidneys and digestion. This makes Urinashak powder more efficient for patients who needs holistic cleansing. For those whose uric acid problem is linked with indigestion or fatty liver. So why do we need both capsule or powder? Because Ayurveda is not one size fit all. Some patients want convenient capsule-based routine, quick and concentrated. Others need a deeper powder-based therapy which not only reduces uric acid but also improves liver function, clears toxins and corrects the digestion. That's why we kept both formats to suit the patient's problem and comfort. And here comes the important part. High uric acid is just not a joint problem. It is also linked to liver and kidneys. For patients who prefer capsules and syrups, we recommend Urinashak capsule with Esmaliv DS syrup. This combination supports uric acid clearance while protecting the liver with Kalme, Kutki, Kasni and Arjuna. For patients who prefer powders and tablets, we suggest Urinashak powder with Esmaliv DS tablets. This combination is stronger, especially for those with liver enlargement, fatty liver or digestion issues. The powder being processed with juices and bhavana dravyas is absorbed naturally in the body. It reaches the gut directly, works on the digestive fire and supports metabolism more efficiently. That's why in severe uric acid cases, we often recommend the powder with Esmaliv DS. So before you think that the only answer is lifelong allopathic medicines or you feel hopeless with recurring high uric acid levels, give Ayurveda a fair chance. Try Urinashak for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Whether you choose capsule or powder, both are made with authentic herbs, no shortcuts. And when combined with Esmaliv DS, they support both kidneys and liver and uric acid balance, giving you long-term relief. We at Dr. Asma Herbals have been making Ayurvedic medicines for over 50 years and have a product portfolio of 250 plus Ayurvedic medicines. We have also exported Ayurvedic products to Germany and Canada. Our promise is real Ayurveda, real health. This is Prabdeep Singh Chawla carrying forward my grandfather's vision to make Ayurveda serve every home.